Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening Zen, another episode in which I am doing a gardening experiment. This is a jasmine that I cut off from my big vine that I've shown you in other videos. And so I've had it sitting here for, for about 2 weeks now. And this is November 20th, when this is being recorded. And so I have it in just regular soil, composted soil. And then I have it with a draining pad in the bottom. And then during the day, I have it underneath this lamp. Let me see if I can show you. Here it is. This lamp, just for extra light because it is right now in my garage. And then I also have a plant light that shines on it as well. And then in addition to that, part of my experiment is I am giving it another try. Let me see if I can show you closer. These are Daphnes, and I'm going to give it another try to see if they grow. I have a big plant that I've shown you in other videos, in other videos as well, and I cut off some little branches to see if maybe they'll grow this time. I started this in early October, and it stayed like this so far. And so what I did this time around is, see the yellow kind of thing? That is perlite. So I put perlite because from what I understand, perlite it absorbs moisture, it like drains better. And so I figure that in the past, whenever I tried to grow Daphnes from cuttings, the bottom leaves or the bottom part gets really ugly, and then it ends up getting moldy. And so I try to put it like just a thin layer of perlite and see how it works. And so as you can see, let me see if I can show you closer. This has been there like that. It hasn't grown or anything. The stem, let's see if I can get a closer picture. I'm not sure if I can. It doesn't look like it's rotting. Here's the other one. This one did, or is, rather. You see it? Like right here. Right? But the stem itself looks good. It was just that leaf. And then this, of course, is probably because it's getting cold in here at night. The temperature dropped the other day to like 20 something. All right, so here's another one. And this is just an experiment to see if maybe like getting perlite in the very bottom will help it. And it looks like it is. I'm not sure about that one either. But sign up and then follow up and see how this garden and experiment works. And the issue here is that because the bottom tends to get rotted, I put perlite. See if maybe that works. I'm going to show you another one that I have over here. Hold on. Here's the other one. And this one has a different kind of jasmine. This one is Jim's Pride. And it doesn't have the variegated leaves like the other one does. The other one is a jasmine... Oh, goodness, I forgot what it's called, but it's variegated, and it's kind of like a Karamaki in that it has those little yellow tints around the edge of the leaves. This one doesn't. This one is Jim's Pride. This one, it grows to about 3 feet and about 5 feet wide when fully grown, or when it's been around for like maybe 4 years. So I'm hoping this grows because different from Karamaki, this blooms all summer long. Starting in like May to like around, I would say, late September. The other one with the variegated leaves that I just showed you, that one blooms throughout even winter. Now, keep in mind that I go by zone 5 where I am, simply because the temperature can drop below 0 for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks in like January. And then the temperature fluctuates to like sometimes 40 degrees in like for one day. So I kind of have to account for all of that. But anyway, I'm hoping this one grows. And I did the same thing with the perlite in the bottom. See? Right? And look at it. It doesn't look like it's rotting. This little one right here The leaves did, but the trunk itself of the little cutting isn't. So I'm hoping it really just kind of sticks and I can figure out like how to keep it from just getting moldy. And then hopefully that it will take. The other ones are petunias. I'm hoping that they grow. Here's another one. So far it's doing really good. I don't know what these fuzzy little white things are. That may be, I'm not sure what it is. Anyway, guys, if you are still watching and you know like what's wrong with it, you can let me know. Might be getting sick. I'm not sure. It may just be from the powder that I used. You know, the growth hormone powder. Might be from that because I didn't really spray them all. And here's another one. I'm not sure if this is gonna do well, but like I said, it's been like this since like late October, and it's now like the 3rd week of November. So I'm hoping that they'll stick. So anyway, this is my gardening experiment. I hope that you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see the follow-up to this and see if it grows or not. Oh, and let me show you. See this back here? This is what happened. And here's another one, Jim's Pride. This one's still going. And in that one, I didn't do the perlite. So it would be interesting to see what happens. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. And please leave a comment if you have any suggestions. I really appreciate it. Okay. Oh, but good suggestions, though. Don't be rude, okay? Okay, bye.